Sup guys? It's me, John and Ian.
There's also you know.
And me. Today we got a pack, Sword and Shield. So we're gonna be unpacking this thing and look for I don't know, Vmax. Yeah, I just hope we get a VR Vmax in this pack. Okay, so this is the rare card. Let's see. So we got Choodle, Glarian Mouth, Noctowl, ooh, Inteleon, Gengar, Glarian Zigzagoon, Hoot Hoot, Sizzlipede. Yeah, I think this is the rare. Dude. Woo! Toxtricity VMAX! Not bad, bro. Cool. So let's review. We got Choodle, Glarian Meowth, Noctowl, Inteleon, Gengar, Glarian Zigzagoon, Hoot Hoot, Sizzlipede, and my new Toxtricity VMAX. So yeah, that's probably it. Don't forget to like
and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel to never miss my latest videos.
And give us good comments.
Yeah, give us good comments.
Bye.
Peace!